Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I found myself with a problem this winter. It got dark in my kitchen quicker than it did in the summer, and I needed a little light to help me cook dinner. But I found a wonderful solution. So I super duper love this light. I'm going to tell you all about it, about all of the different features that it does. You can see here on the remote that it does a lot of different things. It's very bright. It lightens up the room way more than the light I had before it. And it really just gave me the light that I was looking for to cook dinner on these dark days. So you can see here that it's got this bright white light, which you can dim or change color to more of a softer candle light. I also love that you can dim and brighten and change the color when it's in the night light mode. So this light would be perfect in a nursery, I think, because it's not going to be too bright to wake up the baby, but it's bright enough that you won't stub your toe on toys or anything like that. And you can adjust it as you go, so it's just absolutely wonderful. So another thing that I really like about it is that it comes with this little holster that was so easy to put on the wall. It came with a little sticker and you just put it on there, and then you can put your remote right where you need it. So this light has been more than I thought it would be. I love it. It gives me all the light that I need, plus the little glow at night. So it's just fantastic. I love it. I know you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.